In 3, 2, 1, here's your Growing Wisdom Minute for Thursday, the 28th of May. We have some nice weather to start the day, but a few pop-up showers and maybe a thunderstorm this afternoon as colder air above us gets heated up by the air that's rising into it, and that's going to produce cumulus clouds and maybe those showers and thunderstorms. By the way, we are sponsored by Hartney Graymont. Hartney Graymont is the premier tree service company in the greater Boston region. They have a history of proven results and quality services, cultivating strong, long-lasting customer relationships. Give them a call today, 914-415-8885. That's 914-415-8885. So we're not going to be near 85 today, I'll tell you that. We're only going to be in the low 70s, 60s for the Worcester Hills, Outer Cape, and the islands. Now, overnight tonight, any showers come to an end. Temperatures fall back to the low 50s. Tomorrow, we're up near 70, some building clouds, but I don't think they'll yield any showers. And as we head for the daytime on Saturday, an upper-level system rotates down over us. It'll produce some snow, accumulating snow over 3,000 feet. In northern New England, there could be several inches, but down here, just a couple of showers Friday night into the first part of Saturday. Saturday, we start in the low 50s, only end up in the low 60s. Sunday is my pick of the weekend, 60s, 63 to 68 with lots of sunshine. So pretty nice Sunday after a fairly cool, cloudy, and maybe a little bit wet in the morning kind of Saturday. Have a great day, everybody.